His fingernails are long.
Yeah, he's gonna have artist hands, like his grandma.
Well, I was just looking at the proportion of his hand to the rest of his arm.
Uh-huh.
And it seems like his hand is bigger in proportion to his arm.
It's okay, it's just his feeding is done.
As mine is. But maybe I'm wrong. His fingers seem very long.
You know who has really big hands? Is Rohan.
You know?
He's got really big hands. Banana hands.